where I want to clarify that we have made good progress, and actually there is a draft of the agenda already that is pretty advanced. So it's not as if nothing has happened. In fact, they have worked hard, we have worked hard, but we're not there yet. And the sticking points are, one, that on visa alignment, we still need a contribution from the country. This is something that is required in all of the reform agendas where there isn't 100% alignment. It's a matter of equality of treatment. We cannot have one country treated differently in this regard. And then there are two specific points which we have been discussing for a while, where admittedly linked to the specific institutional setup of the country, it has been difficult to come to a final conclusion. But as I said, we are hopeful that we will be able to do that after the 7th of October, when the elections are out of the way. And we're also providing very significant support, both through the delegation in the country and through headquarters to BiH. It is clearly the objective to get them on board as soon as possible. It is difficult. It's a difficult country given the structural issues. We all know this. But I think we're very close, and I really hope that we, with all good efforts after the election, will be able to finalize the reform agenda.
Sorry, Chair. Could you mention the two specific points that are now outstanding?
Yeah, one relates to the Constitutional Court, and the other relates to the structure of the State Aid Control Authority and the representation of the different peoples. I don't want to go into too much detail. This is also under discussion, but both issues are related to the governance challenges in the country. So we need to find acceptable solutions in this regard.